from the beginning, I was kind of like slow doing to post these videos, okay? And yeah, that is pretty much it. If it is a tutorial video that I've recorded, now and then, no big deal, just push it there and then it will make sense. But it's like a class interaction video. You put it on YouTube, someone comes across it, it doesn't understand the teaching, the mode of teaching, you see. Yeah, so let's carry on. Okay, let's carry on. All right, so shift and then 1 to create the exclamation mark. Press on the tab key so that we can get this skeletal HTML document, so that we can make some small change to it. So we will remove this document, which is the name that will appear in the. All right, so this is the whatever we are doing. I've cleared them. So that document is appearing at the top here, but I want to remove document and say home. So inside the title we'll say home. Ctrl+S to save. Let's come and see. Home has appeared there. The last time we also placed a favicon. We say link. Press on the tab key, and where it says style sheet, remove that one and put what icon. Ctrl+S to save. And where it says href, we will specify an image there. Okay, all these things are images. Have I lost them? So what does that do? I plus this thing WT. Okay. Wow. Yeah. So the file extensions have become .gif, and that is why VS Code might not be able to read them. The pictures have also PNG or JPEG. So are they even going to work as I'm doing this? Okay, fine. You can see that the icon displays an image icon, so it will work. All right, so that's just an advantage of knowing how to work with files. This is the .jfif image format. I'm changing it to what? PNG. PNG is a type of file without a background. If you're doing graphic design, you have to understand all this. PNG. Don't tap, of course. So if you save the image without a file format like this one, for example, no file format, it's that the system does not understand the picture. It doesn't know what this file is. So we have to just click on it once and you get a chance. So .png, PNG. Click on tab key to. So the computer now understands the file to be what? An image. That is all. PNG. Alright, now they've all appeared nicely. So we want to do something. We want to experiment bringing images into our website, and then we'll just work with them. That is all. Nothing else. So let's create header. This is head, okay? But let's create header. HEA. So when I say that, when I say header, HEADER, later down inside the header, we want to put an H1 element, and inside the H1, what I'm going to type, what name could I go to give to this website? The beneficiaries. The beneficiaries. Ctrl+1. All right. Yes. Oh, when you're done typing, please don't forget press on the tab key to do that for us. Okay. Bring in the header. So I just experimented what I just taught you. Okay, so that you see it in real life. Everything we do, we have to experiment it so that we see it working. and then we believe that what we are seeing really works. So we have the header, and inside the header, each one has been made, h1 tag has been made. Okay, we could have even said that inside the header, create an h1 with a class, dot what, with a class of what, the class of head style. Okay, head style. Press on the tab key. So what happens? Oh, come on, it jumps out. Okay, fine, it has done that. But where it brought, probably I didn't put this at the right place. I didn't put this at the right place, so it also jump out, putting it at the wrong place for me. But it's okay. Okay, so we've got a header, and inside the header we have an h1. Okay, let's do some small styling to it in the CSS. Okay, so I didn't even want it to be like this. Oh no, this is not what I actually wanted. I wanted a header with a class of what? Head, head style, and inside that particular one, put in an h1, and then the h1 put inside that one the beneficiary. It's okay. Beneficiary is okay. Press on the tab key. That's what I actually wanted. So header with a class of head style, and then inside that particular, put in an h1 with what? With a context of beneficiary. Let's move on. So I'll call this class, and before that, I have to even connect my. Oh, I was doing something about the link. Oh my god. So please, let's connect the CSS to this. Okay, so it's a link. Press on the tab key, and then we say style.css. We already have that particular file there. We already have style.css. Okay, now where it says the real icon, that's for the favicon. Okay, we want to choose a picture here for the favicon. Look at this, not bad. This, or this. This is okay. I'll close this. So I'll choose this. I'll choose this. Learning to code. I'll choose that one for the what? The favicon. Okay. Let me close this. The coders. The programmers. All right. The Programmers Academy. And let's say Academy. Okay, it might be double C, I'm sure. All right. Let's see what it has reflected. The Programmers Academy. All right. So let's go back. So we have been able to link our CSS, but then looking at the favicon real icon, when you go and check in the website, nothing shows there because we didn't specify whether is this an image or whatever, and also inside the href we have to specify the image. So we say that learning to code, that picture we're going to use it. So learning to code. I was expecting it to show here. Learning to code. Okay, do something like rename, copy. It's okay. Let's come. So Control plus V dot png. Yeah, that's the name of the file. Dot png. Control plus S. Also, we have to go forward and say type. Should go to what? Image. Okay. Refresh. It didn't pick. It might be that I did not spell the name properly. If that's the case, I will change this name to our code. Alright, so that we don't have any problem with typing long names. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Sorry, okay, I forgot to inform you. Let me close this, okay.